We all know what cooking is. We know what we need to cook, and I'm pretty sure most of us love food. So, why don't we do it? Well, cooking requires time, thought, and patience, and in today's world, all of those are rare. Cooking success requires the appropriate cooking equipment, which is both expensive and requires a large amount of space in the kitchen. And it does not help when the average size of the Australian kitchen is 4.2 by 3.4 meters, barely enough size to fit a fridge and a sink. Also, many view cooking as tiresome, repetitive, and inconvenient. We surveyed over 100 clients, and 70% of them said a cluttered kitchen and a tedious cleanup process was preventing them from cooking at home. But it's funny how it is also reported that 45% of people actually want to cook at home. But they are also part of the 56% that are regularly spending an average of $100 on takeout every week. And now, with many of us still under lockdown, some of us have been forced to cook at home. It is a clear recipe for disaster. So, we developed a product that will facilitate any cooking activity, allow people to enjoy the fun of cooking, allow them to channel their creativity, and give the individual the chance to meet a healthier lifestyle, improve their mental well-being, and save a few bucks.
Presenting Oneboard. As the name suggests, it is just one board to make the kitchen a simpler and safer place. The safety comes from Oneboard's waterproof replaceable chopping surface and its plastic construction. Some chopping boards are 200 times dirtier than a toilet seat. Compared to other chopping boards, our replaceable board is both washable and microwavable, so there will never be a germ particle on your surface, and we will prevent any sort of cross-contamination. Similarly, your kitchen knives and cutlery can harbor bacteria, but once again, the Oneboard will kill this off too with our rechargeable UV sanitizing wand. And we are built for toughness. The suction cups will make sure you are always steady as a rock. Rain, hail, or shine, the Oneboard will allow you to keep cooking. The simplicity comes from Oneboard's inbuilt Bluetooth speaker and iPad stand. You want to follow Jamie for all of our video, or just want to read an online recipe they found online? The Oneboard has you covered. The attachable plastic containers and removable plastic bin ensures you can transfer cut food and rubbish from your Oneboard easily. The Oneboard also features an inbuilt timer and a kitchen scale. Too many recipes nowadays require you to weigh ingredients to the nearest gram, or cook meat for a specified period of time. We want Oneboard to take care of all of that. Oneboard also has a measurable grid on every topping surface, for the people who prefer their carrots at perfect 90 degrees. Our team promises that Oneboard will combine different aspects of your kitchen to a singular device, making your kitchen a simpler and safer place.
So, can we deliver on our promises? Yes, we can. The rechargeable UV wand uses UVC light, and according to the Center for Radiological Research, it kills 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, and fungi in as little as 15 seconds. Furthermore, with the COVID-19 pandemic, several reputable restaurants, as well as hospitals, are employing UV wands to stay in business and service, enforcing the credibility of this disinfection method. The Oneboard is made of high-density plastic, which is both easy to manufacture and easily accessible. Our design minimized the number of components involved where possible to both achieve maximum functionality while reducing manufacturing costs. The electrical components used to wire up the weighing scale and Bluetooth speaker involve simple circuits for efficiency of assembly and manufacture. In addition to this, the inbuilt 5000 mAh rechargeable battery will very easily power the integrated digital scale and timer. On a single charge, the battery lasts at least 60 days, and the recharge process is so simple it should never be an issue. Over the last 10 weeks, our team has completed the conceptual design phase and have optimized our product. Oneboard is clearly superior compared to other competitors in the market in terms of hygiene, organization, and affordability, just to name a few. The Oneboard's future looks bright, ready to be mass-produced by accredited manufacturers before it hits the market. Even after deployment, it will attain more than just a net positive gain with our fully capable and professional corporate team and resources. Our team is very capable of making your cooking dreams a reality. With our versatile, advanced, and cutting-edge technology, the Oneboard is ready to help you release your inner creativity in the kitchen.